Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news, and gossip celebrity news. If you are new and hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Mandisa Maya. President of the Supreme Court of Appeal Justice Mandisa Maya has congratulated Raymond Zondo on his appointment as Chief Justice. President Cyril Ramaphosa announced Zondo's appointment last week, even though the Judicial Service Commission had recommended Maya for the position after controversial interviews. In a statement issued by the Office of the Chief Justice, Maya offered her full support to the incoming Chief Justice and said she was committed to continue working with him in the exercise of judicial authority. Ramaphosa had last week indicated that he would nominate Maya for the Deputy Chief Justice post that becomes vacant with Zondo's promotion. The statement was released on her behalf that read as follows: President Maya has full confidence in Justice Zondo as a leader in the judiciary and has no doubt that the contribution he would continue to make in our jurisprudence and administration of justice will strengthen and more the South African judiciary forward. Maya expresses her gratitude to everyone who supported her candidature, formally and informally, for the position of Chief Justice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Financial loves you. Bye, good people.